Yan, ready na ako for my first mammogram. Yan. Let's go inside the room. Dali na. Ito yung machine niya. Yan. So, quick question lang. Anong pwede kong expect during the process?
May pain, ma'am.
What kind of pain?
Mabigat. Kasi we need to compress your breast, ma'am. So, medyo uncomfortable na.
Okay. So, ito yung bagong machine. Digital na to, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, kasi yung natatandaan ko, although it's my first time, iba yung bakal talaga na solid yung ano. So, yan. So, let's get it on. Katatapos lang ng aking mammography and para lang po sa kaalaman ng iba, there will be 4 images na kailangan. So, 4 na beses na pipit-pitin yung daddy nyo. Pipit-pitin yung daddy ninyo. Siguro wala pang 5 minutes yung pinaka-whole process. Pero, just to, first time ko, medyo nabigla ako. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-traumatic, hindi naman traumatic. Pero, pipit-pitin talaga. As in, mahahatak tong sides ninyo. Part ng kilikili, tapos, siyempre, sa ilalim at yung harap. Dahil kailangan i-compress yung breast. Let's compress your breast. So, hindi naman masakit, but it's kind of uncomfortable that because you will be asked to not breathe during the time na they're taking shots of the breast. So, ganun yun. So, pigil hininga habang nakapit-pit yung dede nyo, habang kino-compress yung breast. Yan. So far, wala naman akong problema sa pain. Okay na okay. Goods na goods. Kaya, itry nyo na rin. Dahil, of course, it's better to have prevention. So, breast cancer awareness po tayo. At lahat ng women are vulnerable sa breast cancer. Kaya, it's better to have it done yearly for women 40 years old, lalo na sa mga menopausal o menopause women. Bye!